Hi, I'm Elizabeth Hartley. I am founder and owner of Scholarship Gold Consulting, and our mission has been for the last 20 years to bring strategy and sanity to the college bound process. Normally, I focus all of my information to students themselves, but this time I want to talk directly to the parents. This coming Saturday, we're going to have a Zoom event called Master the Money, Parent Edition, and it's going to be an in-depth drill down into how scholarship money and financial aid really works and how it works very differently at different types of schools so that you can strategically plan what to best target for your family and for your student. Our goal is to avoid loans at all cost and to get the price of educating your student down to something that is feasible and reasonable and will still serve them well. And believe me, I've gone through this myself. We had 5 kids that went through college. 4 of them were in college at the same time. And because we knew how this worked, it's not about abusing the system or working the system, it's just understanding the system. We were able to make decisions that worked really well for us. So between Ivy Leagues, Yale, Dartmouth, Duke, Michigan State, College of Charleston, Honors College, we never ended up paying more than $6,000 a year for any of our kids to go to college. And so that was cheaper than sending them to a state school. So we were really, really grateful that that's how the system worked in our case. And I'm eager just to teach parents and empower parents to know where their best options are as well without going into any debt. So if this is of interest to you, please join us on this coming Saturday, 9 to noon on Zoom. And you'll also get the full recording of the event afterwards. To sign up, just go to scholarshipgold.com, click on the events tab, and look for Master the Money. And then we'll follow up with the link and all of the details. But 3 hours on a Saturday morning can end up saving you thousands of dollars. So I'm really excited to share this information with you. All right. Well, we'll see you on Saturday morning.